it's time for the first favorites video of 2020. We're doing my Jan favorites. First up, we have one of my usual favorites with a twist. So you guys know I love the BIODERMA SENSIBO water, the pink one. This is the green one, which is for acne prone skin, which is amazing. So I've been using this through Jan. My skin is quite sensitive, as you can see. It's a little reddish these days and I've had a lot of spots, which this is helping with. So it's great for makeup removal, as a pick-me-up, basically everything that the pink one does, but just better for acne prone skin. Then we have SUKIN's Pawpaw ointment. Like you guys know, I love Pawpaw ointment. It's an Australian thing. I think I had got Luca's Pawpaw ointment in one of my Australia haul, and I used to buy it from Australia. This is one that's available here now. It is the best for this weather. Yes, again, Delhi peeps, I know you're laughing at me like and saying Mumbai does not have a winter, but for our wintry best, when our lips get cracked and chapped, oh, nothing like a good Pawpaw ointment. Up next, we have TIC-TAKs. Now, these are peach, which turn into lemonade. Sounds weird, but guys, it's not weird. It's yummy. I bought these. I'm okay, I can't stop eating them. You guys know I love peach, but peach and lemon are probably my two favorite things. So good. Up next, we have my favorite movie. Okay, so this is a Netflix movie. I have not been to the theatre in 2020 yet. It's called A Fall from Grace, and what a movie, guys. So this randomly popped up in my recommendations. It's a new release, I think, and I started watching it in the middle of the night, and I thought I'll watch a bit and go to sleep, but I had to go through the whole thing. It is that gripping, and it's just, watch it. Okay, now my favorite moment has to be when I crossed the finish line at the Mumbai marathon, okay? So this was my slowest marathon so far, I think, other than the first one maybe, but I had not trained. As I told you guys, I'd barely run like 4K in the whole year, but this was like my screw TV run, and it was hard. Yes, there were times when I wanted to give up, there were times when I wanted to walk, but I managed to do it without walking. And yeah, that feeling at the end of it was just but like so fulfilling. I had web of cheer me on, I had my sister, my nephews all cheer me on, and it was just a great moment to kind of like end the TV chapter and cross that finish line. Okay, so that is my new favorite song. It's called Dance Monkey by Tones and I. My nephew ZREH'S introduced me to it. Like, he just started playing it and I was just like, oh my god, this is my favorite version of the song. So now I actually listen to him playing it all the time on loop as opposed to listening to the actual song. But it's an amazing song and I love it. In my fashion favorites, we have these. So I bought these during the ZARA sale for like I think 1400 bucks. They were on a massive discount. Normally these pointy toe type things don't work for me because I have really big like plate like broad feet. But these are really wide, and I think because of the strings they just feel really easy, and I've just been wearing them through the month of Jan. Like I can't stop wearing them. And yeah, I bought a lot of stuff during the ZARA sale. The dress I'm wearing is also from the sale. But yeah, this is definitely my favorite. Okay, time for my favorite shows. First up, we have Netflix. Oh my god, season 2 is just like, he's my favorite creep, and it's crazy how addictive the show is. Actually, Vaibhav hadn't watched it, so we watched season 2 together. So I actually watched season 2 with him again, and then he went back to watch season 1 because he loved season 2, and I watched season 1 again. So it was just like, It's such an amazing show and I'm so glad it's coming back for season 3. It's scary, it's creepy, it's amazing. Next up we have Sinner season 2. Again, loved it. It's just, there's this whole, like, I actually love these crime shows that have a docudrama vibe, and it has that, so definitely check that out. Then we have Spinning Out. Okay, now this is one of those shows I thought that my mom would probably like, and I avoided it for a bit, and then I started watching it and I was hooked. There's drama, there's masala, there's ice skating, they talk about mental health issues, and I think it's a really cool show that highlights mental health issues in a normal, positive way of how you can live with them and deal with them. And I really like that about the show, so definitely watch that. And last but not the least, on Netflix, we have Sex Education season 2. Oh my god, loved season 1, loved season 2. All the characters on the show, it's just so much fun, very teeny, very drama-y, and just relatable. Then on Prime, we have the Russell Peters Deported tour. Now, Russell Peters is one of my favorite stand-up comedians of all time. I remember watching his videos when you had to like illegally download them, and we didn't have like Netflix and all of that, and watch him when he had not come to India then and stuff. So yeah, I've loved him for a very long time. And the best part about this was ever when I actually went to watch this special live. So I watched it, and I like when we saw it on Amazon, we were like, oh my god, this is what we saw. So it was kind of like a weird feeling because I knew what was happening and I knew what jokes were coming, but I still was laughing. But if you weren't at the special, check it out. Then we have Apple TV, 2 shows that I'm addicted to. Servant, okay, again, really creepy, thriller-y, but just like you're glued to it and you just get addicted to it. Check that out. Then we have Man on the Moon, which is like a show about astronauts reaching the moon, and you know, the whole first Man on the Moon bit, and it's set in that time. So if you're someone who likes like those you know, dramas that talk about a different period or time, you'll like it, which is why I like it. And yeah, love it. So guys, those are my Jan favorites. You guys know the drill. Comment below with your favorite shoes, food, products, anything, and check out my last video here, subscribe here, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.